Digital tweezers are like some compact multimeters that go very well for measuring SMD components. The smaller the component is, the more difficult it gets to measure them using the normal multimeter, and usually these SMD components are not labeled. I can use my tweezers to measure capacitors, resistors, but of course you can also use them for through-hole components, for checking continuity between two connections, and all that you normally do with a multimeter. My tweezers can measure resistance, capacitance, inductance, voltage, frequency and diode mode, and also an included signal generator. That's pretty cool and useful. It's so easy to use with only one hand, and you don't have any test leads hanging around on your table, so this is a cool product.